Many devices stop working at the worst possible moment because regular batteries run out too quickly. To save money and always have power on hand, rechargeable batteries with a charger are the smartest choice. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best rechargeable batteries with charger available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these rechargeable batteries, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the DURACELL rechargeable batteries, a reliable choice that stands out for its balance of power, trust, and ease of use. The charger provides an efficient charge in just 4 to 8 hours, reaching up to 90% power with 4,000 milliwatts of output, which makes it easy to have your batteries ready without any hassle. One of the biggest advantages is the compatibility with 2 or 4 AA or AAA batteries, no matter the brand. This flexibility is practical for households with different devices, avoiding long waits to get them working again. The system also includes automatic shutoff and a light indicator, ensuring the charging stops at the right time and letting you know at a glance when they are ready to use. Inside the package, you get durable, pre-charged batteries, ready to work right out of the box. They come with up to 10 years of guaranteed life or 400 recharge cycles, and they can hold their charge for as long as a full year when not in use. This means reliable performance, long-term savings, and extra peace of mind. Another strong point is the cost-effective and eco-friendly performance, since being able to recharge them up to 400 times helps reduce overall costs and cuts down on waste compared to disposable batteries. Add to that the prestige of a trusted brand like DURACELL, known worldwide for the quality of its products, especially valued in demanding devices such as gaming controllers, baby monitors, or wireless gadgets. This complete kit is designed for frequent use in high-demand equipment, making it a great solution both for home and professional environments, where constant and safe power is essential. Next up, we have the ENERGIZER rechargeable batteries, a great choice for anyone looking for convenience and solid performance every day. This set stands out because it gives you ready-to-use power in much less time, and with a system that's very easy to handle. It offers fast charging in just 3 hours, so you can bring back the energy of 2 or 4 AA or AAA batteries without long waits. On top of that, it features LED lights and sound alerts that guide you through each stage. Red when it starts, yellow midway, and green once they're fully charged. This makes it simple to know the status without any guesswork. There's also automatic detection of faulty batteries, showing a red X and a continuous beep if it finds one that doesn't work. This not only protects your devices but also saves you from wasting time with batteries that can't be used anymore. It also has auto shutoff with overload protection, making sure the charging stops at the right moment, extending the overall lifespan of the batteries. The charger is compatible with AA and AAA NIMH batteries, letting you power 2 or 4 at the same time. That flexibility makes it handy for different electronic devices around the house. Inside the package, you'll find 4 batteries with 1,400 milliamp hours of capacity, designed to handle hundreds of recharges and last up to 5 years, which is a big advantage compared to disposables. This setup is all about being intuitive and dependable. Just insert the batteries, plug it in, and let it do the rest. It's a safe and practical option, perfect for anyone who wants to avoid complications and always have reliable energy available for their everyday devices. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Amazon Basics rechargeable batteries, a solid choice for anyone who wants something practical and reliable for daily use. This kit is all about saving time with its fast and flexible charging system. You can recharge 2 AA batteries in about 3.5 hours, 4 AA in around 7 hours, or go with 2 AAA in just 2 hours and 4 in about 4 hours. It's the perfect solution when you need several batteries ready quickly. These batteries stand out for their long lifespan and low self-discharge, since they can be recharged up to 1,000 times and still hold about 80% of their capacity after a full year of storage. That means they'll stay in good shape even if you don't use them for a while. On top of that, the charger includes clear LED indicators with self-diagnosis, showing with blinks or solid lights the exact charging status or if a battery is faulty. It also features independent charging channels and smart protection, letting you recharge each battery separately with precision. Once a battery is fully charged, it automatically switches to a trickle mode, preventing overheating and extending battery life. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around with a foldable plug that eliminates the need for extra cables, making it ideal for traveling or storing in small spaces. This model is compatible only with NIMH AA and AAA rechargeable batteries of 1.2 volts, which keeps things simple and safe. Just insert them properly and plug it in. The package also comes ready to use with the charger and 4 batteries of 2000 mAh, so you don't need to buy extras. It's a complete and convenient kit that works right out of the box. Now let's move on to the HIQUICK rechargeable batteries, a solid option that stands out for its high capacity and practical design. Each battery delivers 2,800 mAh and can handle up to 1,200 recharge cycles, giving you long-lasting use across all kinds of devices. They even come pre-charged, so you can use them straight out of the box without waiting. They feature a fast and safe charging system with a 600 mAh pulse, capable of powering up AAA batteries of 1,100 mAh in just 2 hours, and AA batteries of 2,800 mAh in about 4.5 hours. That means you won't be stuck waiting too long to get energy back. On top of that, they have low self-discharge, keeping about 80% of their capacity even after 36 months of storage, which makes them great for emergency gear or devices you don't use every day. The charger includes a USB-C port with smart protection, allowing you to connect it to an adapter, a laptop, a power bank, or even your car. It also comes with advanced controls that protect against overcharging, current spikes, overheating, and short circuits. Another useful feature is the independent slot charging, letting you recharge anywhere from 1 to 8 batteries separately, while LED lights clearly show the progress and indicate when each battery is ready. Its compact and lightweight build makes it perfect to carry in a backpack or store in tight spaces. The kit also comes ready to use and eco-friendly, including 8 AA batteries along with the charger, and it has Climate Partner certification, ensuring sustainable practices in its production. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the MUPOER rechargeable batteries, a solid choice that combines power, speed, and impressive durability. These lithium-ion cells are built to last, supporting up to 2,500 recharge cycles, which means years of reliable use. Even if they run all the way down to 0 volts, the charger can bring them back to life with ease. One of their standout features is the fast charging time of just 3 hours thanks to the modern USB-C connection. You can plug it into a phone adapter, a laptop, a power bank, or even your car, making it incredibly versatile. Each battery delivers a strong 3,000 mAh of capacity with a stable output of 1.5 volts, ensuring consistent performance in high-drain devices like cameras, gaming controllers, solar lights, or electric toys. The design also focuses on convenience. The storage case doubles as a charger so you can safely store and recharge the batteries in one compact space, keeping everything organized and ready to go. An intelligent LED system makes monitoring simple. Blinking green while charging, solid green when fully charged, solid red if there's an issue with the adapter or cable, and flashing red if the battery isn't suitable or there's a risk of overload. They're fully compatible with high-consumption gadgets such as flashlights, radios, or cameras, though they're not recommended for doorbells or smoke detectors. The kit arrives ready to use, including 8 AA batteries with high capacity, plus the integrated charger. At less than 200 grams, this set is lightweight, compact, and easy to carry anywhere, making it a practical solution for everyday use. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect rechargeable battery with charger, or if there's another battery kit you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.